What's up, conductors? Welcome back to All the Mini Railways, the show where we visit all the mini railways in the UK. Today we're here at Cinderbarrow Railway. That isn't that easy to say. It is run by the Lancashire and I forgot the
Lancaster and Morecambe.
I apologise. The Lancaster and Morecambe Modelling Society. It's got a pretty long track, I think, and it's a very nice one. I'm quite sure it might. I'm not quite sure if it's steam. Oh no, it's a diesel. Oh.
Oh, well, this was a marvellous achievement by the Lancaster and Morecambe Model Engineering Society. This was all just a tip 30 years ago, and they've made this marvellous track circuit, bit of a station building, and a little model layout over there, which we'll go on to later, and a wonderful little circuit round the picnic site.
I'm very sorry if this footage is shakier than normal. We recorded a take earlier and our lovely Zion gimbal stick decided to die. Okay, we are about to set off.
Are you clear for train now? We're all safe to go.
We're all safe to go. Right. We plan to. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, so cute. Here we go. Darwin Evans building. Bye. I don't know why I keep saying it like that at the minute. I think it's just fun. Force a habit. Right, so heading through here. Oh, I apologise, I did not mean to catch my finger on the screen. One of the lovely people working on this train have actually lent us a brolly to go around with because it started spitting a little bit. So thank you very much. Dad?
Yeah?
This goes around twice, but the second one's wider. Should I record that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pull it out to try and pull it out to take.
You've just said that whilst we're recording.
Well, we can edit it out.
Filming buddies! Hi!
There's a level crossing here.
Here we go. Here we are on the second circuit. Oh, sugar. Don't do that again. At least try not to. Yeah, find that little signal thing, Dad. Yeah, here's our brolly that we just smacked against one of the signal things. It's a rather pleasant ride, this.
If you come here after the train has stopped rolling at a very light, it gets overrun with rabbits.
That's nice.
Picks up a bit of speed here, doesn't it?
It does. It's quite fun. I don't know if I caught it on camera, but actually this can get quite fast. Not like overly fast, but fast.
Putting the model away here.
Right, that was a very pleasant ride. Now off to the model thing.
Hi.
I was recording it, setting
yeah.
off.
Well, this really is a marvellous achievement. This was a waste tip 30 years ago, and the Society have taken it over and put in a marvellous track, a bit of a station building.
Oh, it's not. The gimbal's gone.
Oh,
No, I charged it last night. It was charged in.